Hi, it's Rich Tehrani. Thanks for watching TMC's Roadshow in San Jose. On our program is Z Hosain. He's the CTO of Aeris Communications. Z, welcome to the show.
Thank you.
So, Aeris Communications, you want to give us the brief overview for those newcomers to your company?
Sure. Aeris Communications is a machine-to-machine network services provider. We're one of the pioneers in the field. We've been operating this network for about 16 and a half years, almost 17 years. And we provide a variety of transmission capabilities for machine applications anywhere in North America, as well as a small global presence at this point. But our network is designed for anybody who wants to send small to medium to large amounts of data from a machine application back to a host server somewhere for analytics, for data analysis, for remote control, all of that kind of stuff.
Now, a natural question which you may get is, why would we want to work with your company? We've got other networks that are available.
Sure. I think there are three areas that would be the easiest for me to identify. One is flexibility. We provide a tremendous amount of capability in our billing systems, as well as flexibility in operations and special capabilities that our customers find essential for their business. Second is performance. When you compare us, and our customers have done this directly, when they compare us to our competition, which are the large network services providers, we can do a better job. We have optimized our network for machines in a way that is not typically done in the consumer handset space, and so that's what we do. And the third area is innovation. When customers come to us with a specific problem that they might be encountering with their network, with their application or their network services, we can provide a solution that simply is better. And we're capable of doing it very rapidly because we have a very intimate knowledge of the cellular network that we provide services for.
Now, what sorts of trends are you seeing in the market?
Well, I think the biggest interesting trend is that the machine-to-machine market is growing quite dramatically. The cell phone industry has saturated with a number of handsets that are out there for the consumer products that are out there. And the machine-to-machine environment is sort of the next big thing that people are talking about. And you've heard various references to the Internet of Things, and you've heard references from people about how there will be billions of devices on the network within the next few years. Our approach is to say, yes, but if you look at the handset market, I can recognize a handset anywhere in the world. It looks like a handset, may have keys, may not, may be a smartphone. A machine application is unique, and there are some issues and things you need to deal with to make it work well, and that's what we try to focus on. So the trend is, I think, lots of expansion, lots of new entries and new entrants who are trying to provide services in this area who don't really get it sometimes as to how difficult it can be.
So for companies that are looking to deploy M2M solutions, whether they're a manufacturer or, manufacturer is probably a good example, at what stage in their development should they pick up the phone and call you or go to your website?
Absolutely at the earliest possible stage. Unlike the traditional looking for a network at the last moment phase, we assist our customers directly with design capabilities. Now, one of the big things that occurs in the internet industry, if you will, the IP industry, is people think that wireless is exactly the same as a DSL connection or something like that. The answer is no, it isn't. You have special requirements in the wireless transports that you have to incorporate in your design ahead of time. We have that experience and knowledge, so we get involved in very early phases. Many customers come to us with nascent ideas, and they want to be able to provide a solution in a machine-to-machine wireless application, and they don't know how to start. They may have some issues that they may think through would work fine in a wired IP environment, which wouldn't work in a wireless IP environment. So we help them through that design process. Very important for people to come to us.
So you're really partnering then with,
absolutely, with our customers.
That's a big part of what you're doing.
Mm-hmm. All enterprise customers. We don't have any end-user consumers. It's based on an environment that large customers can use effectively for their machine applications.
So what's next for the company?
Growth, massive growth. We have, at this point, been doing almost 100% growth in the past 3 years, and just see it expanding quite dramatically.
Is that each year or over 3 years?
Each year. Yeah, it's quite dramatic, and we see it growing dramatically over the next few years as well.
That's very exciting. Well, thanks for being here, and hope you'll come back and tell us more about your growth.
Absolutely, appreciate that. Thank you very much. Appreciate the time.